Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will do comprehension passage. This will enhance your reading skills. This will improve your reading skills. Okay, before doing this passage, I just want to tell you what is a comprehension. The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read. The stories, the poem, the questions and answers were unseen to you before you read them. Similarly, in a comprehension test, you are given a passage or a paragraph. The more you read, the more things you know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. Okay, the word read means understand the meaning of written or printed words or symbols. Whatever you are reading, read it properly and try to understand it. See, children, the most important thing is reading, but this is also important that you should understand whatever you are reading. So now look here, read this passage and answer the following questions. You have to read this passage properly, you have to understand this passage properly, and whatever questions are given here, you have to answer those questions. Now read this passage. Start from here. Suzanne and Anita go to the park to play. In the park, they hear the birds sing sweetly. You know that birds always sing sweetly. In the fields near the park, they see the goats eat fresh green grass. Okay, goats are herbivores. They always eat, yes, green grass. One day, Suzanne sees a little sparrow fallen on the ground. The sparrow cannot fly. The sparrow cannot fly. She lifts up the sparrow gently into her little hands. Anita runs over and brings water from a nearby pond. So, Anita, what did she do? Anita runs over and brings water from a nearby pond. They help the sparrow to drink water. The sparrow feels much better and flies away. The two girls share with their mother the story of the little sparrow. The mother is happy that her daughters have shown kindness to the sparrow. So, children, you should always be kind to animals. Okay. So, now read this passage properly, understand this passage properly, and answer the following questions accordingly. First question is, where do Suzanne and Anita go and why? Second question is, what do they hear in the park? Third question is, what does Suzanne see one day? Fourth question is, what does Suzanne do? Fifth question is, what does Anita do? Sixth question is, how do Suzanne and Anita help the sparrow? Now, find seventh question. Find two verbs and two nouns from the passage. I know, children, you know this thing. Verbs are action words and nouns are naming words. So you have to find two action words from the passage, verbs, and two naming words from the passage, nouns, and you have to write here. Got it? Now give the opposite gender of the following, as I have already explained you gender, so I hope that you all know it well. So you know what is the gender of she? Yes. What is opposite gender of girls? Mother, daughters. So my dear sweet children, my dear sweet little kiddies, so please just read this passage properly and answers the questions accordingly. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless you.